Okay, who all is here now? Who are here now?
All of us.
Demo, everybody is here. Starting the game, okay?
Yeah, start.
I don't like that. Crowbars, everyone, crowbars.
I picked up a wrench.
It said you picked up a wrench.
Oh, it opened.
Okay, now who's ready to go first?
Nah.
Why me?
Please,
Because
go the way. Sir Cabbage, please go the way. You don't have emotions of feelings.
I only have there's something over there. I saw something.
It's fine, guys. It's fine. Come on.
I mean, I do get jump scare.
Okay, I'm not ready for jump scares. You
you
need a key to open the.
Yep, it's this door.
Okay.
Fuck.
Oh, this is
I like.
family. Where are you?
Dude, Jesus.
I only have 8 health.
Okay, fuck.
Bro, look at this. Anupam, look at this. Look at this.
Oh my god.
That.
What the hell?
It's so attractive.
Hey, look at me and my kids.
The
There's
more.
more cars in the bathroom.
I mean,
Did Neha just lock us out?
there's proper lighting in the room, so I'm not actually scared.
Somebody's watching us anyway.
Okay, I think there's something in here. Yep.
Okay.
Welcome to the asylum.
Okay, it's too dark over here.
Fuck.
Okay, there's a dead body over there.
This is a fine place actually.
It's a bed.
It's all
It's like a
rush.
soundproof.
He's
He's dead. He's dead.
he's dead.
You
don't worry.
think he's dead?
Okay, let's keep moving.
Yeah. Neha, not to my.
Bring him along.
Dude, there are a lot of Jesus photos. Jesus.
Hi.
Enough of that. Enough of that.
Get the gate.
So he's
He's
Oh my god. How many supposed to use a rope?
What is that? I swear I saw something in there.
Okay, I heard a sound.
There's nothing over here.
I saw something. I'm not
Yeah, you
lying. I didn't see its face. I just saw the lower body.
you saw this guy getting fried.
No, the body was down there. It was something else.
There's a.
Hey Neha, you wanna go kiss that doll?
I'm gonna kiss the dog. Look,
Everybody wants to know your location.
Wayfarer confirmed.
Why can't I get out?
oh you're
Wait.
stuck on that body. Just jump your way through.
I tried jumping.
Jump your way through. There's more than one.
Created a
Gave him
trap.
a toy.
He himself created a trap. Oh my god.
I gave him a
Yes,
toy.
Neha, surely go front.
Capaz.
Uh-oh.
Wait, let's
It's fine. It's calm.
let's check this door first. Okay, this
Oh,
is gonna be a creepy place.
This is gonna be the place. This is gonna be fucked up.
Oh wait, how did I get in there so fast?
Okay, let's check for a key or something.
Wait, what? I
Do
don't
you hear
like this.
music?
Yeah.
I got a key. I got a key.
You hear the door unlock.
What?
Yeah, I got a key to unlock.
No.
I got a key to unlock.
No.
Do you mean the door unlock? What does that mean?
Okay, this
Somebody's
door
coming
is
in.
locked.
Somebody's coming. It worked.
Okay, I'm out here.
Windows.
the higher ground.
Glass windows. Fuck, you can't break that.
Anupam, build a wall.
How the fuck am I supposed to? It's not Fortnite, man.
Just grab the rest thing.
They opened
It opened.
Wait, you had the key the whole time. I'm stuck.
What the fuck was that?
I saw that.
I was stuck.
I didn't.
I didn't. Bro.
Okay, wait.
Oh my god.
I didn't see it.
What happened?
Oh my god.
I didn't see it.
Scare. Some jump scare.
I went through this place and I found now.
I didn't get any jump scares so far.
Yeah, I saw it was a small jump scare though, so I didn't.
Okay, maybe we have to go to the
Yeah,
other way, so-
it's
We have to
so
go back, we have to go back.
small of them scares.
You have to go back. Come.
Oh, does the elevator work?
So I have to go first. Oh no,
I'm
Like, not lying.
where am I?
We came through this way. Do you have key?
I have the key. I have the key.
Yeah, okay, then that's me.
We came through. Yeah. It's not. Oh, I'm stuck.
Did it just move? No, it didn't.
Yep. Yeah, no jump scare right here.
Huh?
Oh, but I'm stuck.
Lag.
Fuck.
Okay, there's something here. There's something here. I
Did I
saw
see
an
that?
eye. I saw eyes. Okay.
I lagged.
Come here.
I saw nothing.
There is
Wait, there's a door. You need a key to open.
I need a key.
Okay, I saw an eye again.
Come.
I saw red eyes
Shut up.
Alright.
to the bush.
Red eyes are the problem.
I'm seeing nothing, man. There's a door here.
Door that's not good.
Oh shit.
I think something like jumped in front of me, but the dead body hit it.
I got a key. You have to go
You
back.
hear a door. Stop with the dead body.
I got a key. Let's go back.
Some
Let's
jump
go.
Let's go, let's go.
the dead body hit
Right.
it.
I'm really loving this because so far I'm not getting scared or anything.
This is a matter.
That's because they with all of us. What if you play this game alone?
I'm stuck.
I didn't see that. I'm so glad.
I just saw the flashing lights, but I didn't see the thing,
Okay,
so it's
come.
not.
It's here again.
I'm trying to go in the front so I can run into some jump scares, but I can't still.
Okay, wait. Do we go down or do we go up?
It's always up.
It's always up.
Okay,
Let's
come,
go up.
Let's go.
Let's go up.
It's loud. Let's go right.
So then let's go down. Hey, wait, we ran to some other door which had a key, right?
No, my key is not.
What is that?
So are we going down?
Yeah, there's no
Hey,
other door.
Mukund, did you try to open?
Yeah, I opened it. Oh, we are in the sewers.
Neha, slow the fuck down, okay?
Neha wants to see all the jump scares by himself.
Oh my god!
Shit.
I didn't see anything.
That was so bad, but. Dude, door.
I didn't see it.
Door. It was just a huge head. flying by.
Here.
Yeah, open it.
I can hear music.
Key.
A door unlock. Yes, definitely.
Haven't you been here before? Or is it just...
A crowbar.
I've seen a crowbar
Out.
somewhere outside here.
Yeah.
Oh, Nehan got disconnected. Wait.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's
Hello,
trying
can
to
you
find
hear
out.
me?
Yeah,
The crowbar is here. How can you pick it up?
Where are you?
I'm outside.
Anupam, where are you?
I'm back the way we came through.
Wait, we can't go up that way, right?
Hey, you found a crowbar. Who found a crowbar?
Me.
He found a crowbar.
Oh, cool. Neha did it.
No, it's not Neha. How the fuck did he do it?
Anupam did it.
We all have a crowbar.
I could just go inside. Oh my god.
Wait, there's a
No, I'm
way
just
we
looking at
can
the
go.
messages, nothing else.
Okay. Oh,
Why are we going in different directions?
But seriously?
you didn't see it, right? There's something like in this corner. Then it flew up. Basically.
No, right?
Wait. We have been through here.
We have been through here. This is upstairs.
I was going upstairs. You guys told me not to go. I didn't actually go to
Go
this.
back to that area.
Yeah, we have to go back to.
So far, this
Yeah, go to
movie
that
has
land.
effect on me.
Is this the way?
Yeah, come.
Oh, so
Open.
like it's open.
Who opened it? Did one of us did or
Yeah, I opened it. Like, if one of us has the key, it's fine. Oh, the toilet.
I hope it's just a
This
door.
reminds me of Chavra. Basically.
Oh god, fucking dang it!
Okay.
Don't walk into toaster.
It's ear race.
I mean, it's bright now, that's a good thing.
Oh god, fucking dang it. Is it
The
over?
light went.
I turned it off.
Why?
Okay.
It was bright.
Okay. Now what?
What is the point?
This is a classroom.
Blue, I
This is
see a
Java,
guy.
I guess.
He's talking to himself.
Where?
Where?
Oh.
Can we talk to him?
He has
No.
the key. He has the key. He has the key.
That's not a key, that's a scissor.
He's just killing himself. Hey man, why do you want to kill yourself?
You're blind. You're blind.
He's trying to cut his PP.
Is he blind?
Yep.
I think he's like. I think he's a KTU 4th year student.
Can I put him out of his misery?
No, no guns. They are no guns.
Anyway, he's having
Oh,
fun.
there's a toy.
Yeah, let's just go ahead.
He's having fun.
Let's just go.
Please.
We are
No,
done with Chavra classroom.
Is that
This is
this way?
definitely Chava.
Yeah.
There's nothing over here.
It's not.
The tables do remind me of study hall.
I'm teleporting like
Same. I'm teleporting 400 ping.
500.
Oh, I'm
I think
teleporting
it's
back.
because Mukund is the host. It's definitely because Mukund is the host.
How dare you accuse me?
Oh.
Who
I
got the
saw
jump scare?
that Nehan. I saw that
Where's,
Nehan.
where's the guys? I can't see them.
Yeah, I think I saw it, but still.
Can we just slow down while our pings are slow and wait till it get
I
back?
swear.
No.
We are not together now. But now we are. But, you know.
You know what's the problem? My electricity is just gone. So, you know.
Oh, stop whacking things. There's nothing to find.
Okay.
You might find a key.
Are we together? Are we regrouped? Or I'm glitching?
Not yet.
Can't
They're
walk.
still glitching.
Okay, are we regrouped completely?
Yep. I think.
Okay, let's go. Let's move forward together.
Doors to your left.
I
Can't you just open that?
I'm teleporting.
Fuck.
There's nothing here.
I can open that. I'm going in with my eyes closed.
There's nothing there. It's empty.
Okay.
Empty as all our life.
It's just bedrooms. I mean,
There's nothing.
It's prison cell.
Not
It's not bedrooms. I mean psychiatric cells.
I opened it. Come, let's go.
Yeah.
It's 600 by the way. It's
I got
600
the key. I got a key. I got a key. Come inside.
It's best if you give your hosting power to someone. I think it's a you problem.
I don't think so because the same issue was there when we were playing with Arthur last day.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think it's like Steam servers. Like it depends on the map. Like if the maps are like well optimized, the thing will be fine. And sometimes it happens.
We bought the game, we left Hamachi because of this problem.
Did we have any other door to open? Because I found a key. That's why.
Maybe we could find it
The
upstairs.
door to my heart. Maybe.
Hey, I'm gonna kill him, okay?
Why? No, don't. Please.
Glitching like.
This is the cringe gun. Each time you see
Guys,
It's glitching like hell.
Guys,
Neha,
he's not there.
stop.
He's
No,
not
I'm
there.
not actually
He's not
doing it.
there. He's not there anymore. He's not there anymore.
Who's not there?
The guy.
This guy. Neha, stop.
Wait,
shooting.
I'm glitching. I'm having the worst thing.
Hey, wait, I can't go back to my
900
crowbar.
ping.
900.
When possible.
Can we just stop moving till our pings get normal?
I
Okay,
can't select
just
a
come here.
crowbar.
What is that? Jesus. I have a teleporting Iron Man and it seems to be more scarier.
Okay.
It's lowering. It's coming
Okay,
down.
I think it's stabilizing a bit. It's coming down a bit. Yeah.
Wait. I have to check. Okay, I have to check if it's my net or something.
No, it's probably not your net. It's
Just wait. I'll come on.
Steam being a bitch. It's lowering. Mukund like goes outside his house, climbs up trees, arranges cables.
Can we go now? Seems fine.
No, he's outside. Yeah, the thing is that
came to my area.
can you came to your area? Oh my god,
Dude, it's not my problem.
Fiber.
what the fuck is happening
Hello?
to me?
I'm stuck. I can't move.
I'm inside. I'm
I
disconnecting.
can't.
I'm disconnecting.
I'm disconnecting you.
No, like I'm back.
I'm back. No, Anupam's out.
Now we can.
back.
Oh no.
And now it's
Now
really
can you
fast.
see me?
Now it's too slow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now
What
you
did it do?
Yeah, just play. It's 200 ping. Just play. There's a dude. Oh,
Wait,
that's-
what?
That's the
Dude, went.
Where's
That guy went. He was just.
Lead the way, senorita. Oh, you can open that door. Was that possible? First one.
Okay, if you guys want to experience the jump scare,
Atul, you should do
No,
it.
I'm glitching.
I'm totally fine.
It's
Okay, now it's only
500.
Atul. Now it's only Atul.
No, it's only me. What happened?
T-posing DMO is actually scarier.
Okay, you need another key. Wait, what about this one? Yep.
Atul haven't experienced any jump scares yet.
I've only seen it happen to people.
I experienced, I guess, the majority you could say, and it is nothing scary.
Finally, my ping is kind of grounded.
It's not this room. Let's go
Okay, there's a
outside.
shaft. There's a shaft away.
Neha, I know we did say like take the lead, but just wait for us, okay?
I mean, I'm not getting the actual experience.
Oh, this way.
Oh yeah, that sounds
So there's a shaft.
totally
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Atul, you might want to go first because you haven't have any
Yeah.
jump scares yet.
Yeah, sure. Let me do this.
How are you guys fitting in? Like, Iron Man, how? I am BMO. I can just walk in.
I'm ready.
He's just walking.
I can't move on.
What the fuck happened?
And he went out. What?
Hey,
Yeah. There's a dead body.
Oh, that's our friend. Her name is Senorita.
Senorita. That's a key. That's a key.
Ah, take the key. What are you doing? You're
Is it
just
key?
taking
What
the
a
key
key?
with your mouth. He's taking the key with his mouth.
You hear a
They're not.
footstep. It says something right.
Bro, I'm in front.
Look at Bimo.
Go.
Bimo.
There's a crowbar through. Oh my god, I'm inside Atul's crotch.
Back to the beginning.
We are back. Now we have to go to the. No. We have to go there. We have to open those box.
Go, Atul box. Take the lead. You want the jump scare experience, right?
Yeah. Wait, we
Not
were here
necessarily.
at the beginning.
Well, which way
Go.
was it?
Wait,
I don't exactly remember.
there's a place.
What the fuck is that?
Okay,
What the hell was that?
I saw that.
You saw that?
It's upright.
Somebody was just peeping. He was just peeping.
Peeking.
Peeping.
PP.
Peeping.
Okay, this is where we went last time.
Ah, yeah, this is the place.
There's a
There's a
door.
door. There's a door. Come.
Oh yeah, it's here.
Go, take the lead. I'm not staying a step in front of anyone.
Oh,
Oh, we are
Shit.
really sorry.
Okay, it's a fucking outer.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
he's into the game.
Fuck my life.
See?
What?
That's it. Oh, that's
Yeah, I guess.
That's super disappointing.
yay.
Like, if they wanted to do some fourth dimension breaks, this might be the best time.
I have one more. I have one more map. You ready?
This
What did you do, Mukund? Like the thing is so good now.
I don't know. I didn't do anything. I told my mom to stop watching Netflix. Yeah, so that's.
Oh my god. So good.